My name is Amber Wilson, and today we will be talking about the images used in 4 of our American medical facilities located in New York City, Miami, Phoenix, and Denver. The importance of these images can mean the difference between our patients feeling valued and wanting to continue patron our facilities or thinking we have lost touch by viewing them as just another patient and going elsewhere. Today we received many questions regarding these images. First, Carol asked, why can't we just use the same images that are already being used for all the different locations? All the images of the medical staff look American enough. We don't want to use the same images for different locations because we want the images shown in these locations to resonate with the culture being displayed in these areas. For example, New York City is extremely diverse, so patients from NYC would want to see equal representation. Showing diversity reminds those of cultural familiarity. They want to be familiar with their surroundings, meaning they would feel welcome and safe. Daniel states, let's use images of families and all the images that scroll through the main website page. That will catch everyone's eye. Everyone has a family somewhere. That may be true, but not everyone is family-oriented. This image is great because it shows 2 women of various age groups and ethnicities alone being treated by various medical staff. They look happy, and the thing to point out is they are unattended by family. It is important to show that while families are important, our medical staff can still make you feel valued when you are alone. This image would help to emotionally appeal to those without a support system and emote that while you are alone, our medical staff can make you feel valued and taken care of. Caleb questions, the pictures we use should all be outdoors and of people having fun. Isn't that what all patients want to see when they visit the medical facility's website? This image shows a nurse in full protective garb taking care of an isolation patient. This patient is obviously not going outside anytime soon. It is unrealistic to show only patients having fun outside when that is not the case for most patients. Most patients are in the hospital because they are extremely ill and should not be going outside. By only showing outdoor images, you can have negative emotional appeal. Some may see only outside images of patients having fun and not take the medical facility seriously, which could be the result of poor frame perspective. Landa says, know how helpful it might be to view the advertising problem from the audience's perspective. Answer the fundamental question about the brand's benefit, as if you were the target audience. What's in it for me? Instead, show pictures of interactive outside areas. These could have emotional appeal to patients and families attending the facilities by showing that they have tranquil, visually stimulating areas to relax and unwind from the stress of the inside medical hubbub. These images can also show cultural familiarity, as the top shows palm bushes native to those you might see in Miami, and the bottom could be in New York with its abundance of buildings and concrete structures. Heather states, maybe we should think like the potential patients that might visit the website. What would these patients like to see regarding this facility? What do patients want to see? They want to see happy, smiling patients with attentive, competent staff. These 2 images frame perspective of a happy, safe child in the hands of a nurse with good bedside manner. She's wearing long sleeves, so probably in a colder climate like Denver. The bottom appeals to families. Women want to see providers who can make going to the doctor a breeze. This produces emotional appeal to those family-centered. Patients also want to see themselves going home. They want to see images of people being discharged when they are healthy and ready to go home. Both of these images are great because they show diversity among the lifespan and cultural familiarity. The left is an older gentleman with appeals to older generations who, according to Rasmussen, would rather see themselves represented by someone of their generation, not someone younger, especially great for the Miami market since Florida is typically populated by older populations. The right is a new mother surrounded by a multitude of staff. This could be Phoenix as they are outside and sunny. It shows happy faces. It emotionally appeals to those who are family-centric as well. Samuel asks, how can we use images to get people to feel like they will get better or experience a miracle or receive better treatment here than at some other facility? People like to see awards. They equate awards with success. By showing pictures of our facilities with their awards proudly on display, patients will feel a sense of ease just by this very strategic perspective framing, by showing each location with its various awards, perhaps by tailoring the background or even the clothing the people are wearing to ensure they feel that their location is being adequately represented. Patients also want to see innovation. Showing pictures of advanced technology helps emotionally appeal to the patient in respect that they will feel our medical facilities are on the cutting edge, meaning they are getting the best care possible. People want to know they have made the right choice when it comes to their medical care.